Little update on the remodel that I'm working on. Everything's off the walls. I spent hours and hours just removing screws and nails and trim. The ceiling has been ripped down, but I do have to go back and pull a whole bunch of staples. I pulled all the face plates off of all the electrical so it can be looked at. This is the aftermath. That's the ceiling on the floor. So what I'm going to do is work smarter, not harder, and pull a wheelbarrow up to this window and open this window, and all this stuff is going out to be disposed of. It's going out the window instead of me trucking all this through the house. So now I will need to come back in here and start cleaning the walls and then prepping the walls. I'm not going to clean the floors completely until everything is done above my head, because I'm just going to make another mess. So I'll sweep just so that I'm not tearing up the floor any worse than what it already is. But then I'll go on. I did get rid of this window treatment. This one is savable for now. I am going to take it off and clean it. It's going to be a little bit. Some patchwork and lots of nails to remove. The trim was plastic. So I will be replacing the trim with real wood. But when I popped all the trim off, it left lots of nails, so I have to come back and take all these nails out of the walls when I get the floor cleaned up where I can walk around in here again. So that's where I'm at today. This is the hall closet. I took all the shelving out of here. There was some wiring that had been shoved through the wall. That's been removed. This is wallpaper, but it's not in good condition at all. So all this will, I have to figure out what I'm going to do in here. But the sheetrock is not in great condition either. That's behind here. I don't know how old it is, but this stuff is just crumbling. It's pretty, but I don't think I can save it. So it's gonna go. And the house has settled over the years and the walls are cracked in here. So all this needs to be patched, repaired, and there's so many holes. So all this sheetrock might just be completely removed, and this closet might need to have new sheetrock installed. So that's that. It had shelving like this in there. All this will be removed too. Let me show you the other room. Again, took all the electrical face plates off. We'll have to do a pretty good size patch here. Probably cut this out and replace a block of sheetrock. I'll be pulling down this ceiling today. It's plywood underneath, just like the other room, which means I can put sheetrock up on the ceiling, which, yes, because this old drop ceiling stuff is awful. And it houses, it's a good place to house spiders and bugs and junk. So, I went through and pulled lots and lots of nails, screws, all kinds of stuff out of here, popped all the trim off the bottom. So still need to pull this ceiling down. And then I need to find a crescent and get, or a ratchet and get this off the wall. But this is the last thing on the wall that needs to come off for now. That is access to the shower, which I'm going to change. There's a bathroom on the other side of this wall. This access will change. I don't like this setup. It worked, but I'm not digging it. So, and then I still need to take this trim off of this side of the room. That's going to take me a little bit longer because it's been caulked. I'll probably have to cut along this caulk line, and it was nailed with a pneumatic nailer. So it's going to take, this is going to be a little bit harder to get off than the older trim. So that's where I am today, y'all. Try to have a good day. Thanks for watching.